with overall educational planning. The key word is integrated with overall educational planning. The word has to be integrated. Budgeting and financial planning. Third part of it, is it embedded in our students' support infrastructure and informed to the parents at the time of the sessions? So the whole question seems to be saying that how do we digitally transform this entire concept into our educational framework, and also look at the budgeting and the financial planning apart from the academic side of it, and how do we reach out to our key stakeholders, parents and students. So that support system has to be digitally transformed. So may I request Ms. Mamta Jaiswal to answer this question.
Educationists present here and the educators. And as Mark said, I would like to thank NAVNEET TopTech to make me be here, as well as Rana sir. Thank you so much, Ganesh sir, and my teammates, Deepa ma'am and Sharda ma'am. So as sir has asked this question, that is our digital transformation integrated with overall educational planning? So, but it depends upon the educational institutions and organizations. It may vary from one institution to other institutions, but partially we can say that yes, it is being integrated in most of the organizations and educational organizations and institutions, you can say. And I think that Sharda ma'am has covered most of the point what I was going to give the examples like how it is being integrated. So she has given a number of examples that how we can have online classes, in what way we can include our students into the online platform, including the teachers, you can say. But the institutions and the organizations need to have a very imperative plan. They need to have a strategic plan for it and go accordingly. Things cannot be done all of a sudden in one day. It has to be properly planned and executed to each and everybody, all the stakeholders in the organization. Whether it is parents, students, teachers, each and everybody should be involved in that. Then only it can be integrated. We have to take all the stakeholders together while we are beginning, starting or implementing, or it is already started in the school. At all levels we need to have these stakeholders with them. So we can, this digital transformation is possible and can be done with help of all these stakeholders. The second question what sir is asking, that is particularly with the academic program quality, budgeting and financial planning. Yes, for any type of, you can say, to introduce any type of, you can say, concepts or any type of, even you say books or training, it requires financial support. So this again I would like to repeat here that yes, it varies from one institution to other, that how much they want or what is the budget they want to spend for it, for the training of the teachers, to implement the different softwares for the students, in what way they want to go. So the budgeting and financial things also come into, it is also important. So many of the institutions, as per today we say that every school or any educational organizations want to spend and see to it that they are digitally, you can say, transformed, and they have the best things in their school. Like different softwares are available nowadays, and almost I feel all the schools are using some or the other softwares. These softwares have helped us, to be connected with the students, with the parents, because both parents maybe mostly are working, they don't have time. The old time, like how we used to give it in the homework, in the calendars, they don't have that time to see. So sitting at office, if they're at home, in the office only, the mother, father, they can see from there only the homework, whatever is given, and accordingly they can guide. So in this way, we can say this digital transformation is definitely helping the parents also and the students also, and the schools have also taken initiative to implement it, I can say 100% to this school by opting for different types of apps, you can say, which are available, convenient as per their requirements, like we see during the even traveling part, because the students have to travel a lot in the buses and all. So the parents are very worried whether my child has reached home or no safely. So there are many apps which give us that type of information also, that the child is in school, he is reaching home safely. So these things concerns, when it is being put up to the parents, they are also you can say agreeing with the school institution, yes, we would like to go for it, and that's helping the school or the, you can say, educationals to follow this or implement in their school. So I think particularly with academic program quality budgeting, it is implemented, and it is to far extent successful, I can say, sir. And next is it embedded in our students' support infrastructure and informed to the parents at the time of admission? Again, it is a positive answer. Yes, it is being informed, because I think today the parent is very alert, and he would like to know all the things what is being implemented in the school. They want each and every, you can say, all the information they want to know in depth, that how the school is working, what type of system they have, what sports they have, how is the digital, you can say, working system of the school. So definitely at the time of admission, we inform, or we should inform the parents, and they should be knowing about how the school is going to work accordingly. It should be embedded. But I would like to say here, sir, that while implementing this, the teachers should be taken into consideration how it has to be implemented. And when I say that teachers should be taken, they are a very important stakeholders. So while when we want to take these teachers, it should not be only in meetings and discussions. Actually, when it is to be implemented, the teacher also should be given a very important role in implementing all these things. So it should not be only till discussions, meetings, and she is there and we decide, and after that it's only the institutions who are doing it. So everywhere the teacher should be, you can say, taken care, because she knows the student, she knows the in and out of the child, and so she should be taken always for all the decisions to be taken while implementing this digital transformation, as well as you can say the academic program quality budgeting. All these things she also has to be a part of the school or you can say educational institutions. I think I've tried to answer it